Hello and welcome back to another Taste Test Tuesday. I am here. I'm Heidi. I'm the marketing manager with FLAVORx, and I'm here with
Ronnie. I do manufacturing, all the machines.
And Ronnie is going to be our little flavor tester today. So go ahead, cover up your eyes. So we've got 3 pieces of food for you to try, and I'm gonna give you a little toothpick here. So here, take that. There's your toothpick.
There's food on there already?
Yep, there's food on there already. And you can go ahead and test it out. You can smell it.
Grapes.
So what you okay. Okay.
Are you sure you can't see?
I'm not. I don't like, what is that?
What do you think it is?
Oh, that's a, I have no clue. Hold on, let me think.
Nothing?
Like a green pepper or something?
Not a green pepper.
A mushroom?
Not quite.
What is it?
It is roasted zucchini.
Okay, yeah, I kind of recognize it.
All right, and next, so we're incorporating another fun kind of thing, and with another company that's really big in flavor. So we're gonna have you try out some Jelly Belly jelly beans and guess which flavor they are.
You're not gonna give me like the booger ones, are you?
No,
Alright.
no. So I have a little cup here, so you can take that, and there's 2 in there.
Oh, there's something.
So you can guess which flavor.
I really hope you're not putting something in.
No, it's not. I promise. Any guesses?
Popcorn?
Absolutely. Buttered popcorn.
Alright.
So we have another fun thing. It's called Bean Boozled. And if you want, you can go ahead and spin the wheel and take your gamble at which type of Jelly Belly you get to try.
Oh, but a booger one might come out.
Yeah. Yes. So you get to spin it. All right. There we go.
That's supposed to be peach?
It's supposed to be.
Yeah, it tastes like peach.
Okay, now it's my turn to spin it.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I didn't know there was 2. What's this one?
Now, it's going to be one of 2 things. You have to guess which one.
Cherry? No?
Close, but not quite.
What is
Is
it?
it strawberry jam or centipede?
Strawberry jam.
All right.
Alright.
All right. Well, thanks for being such a great sport. And check back with us next Tuesday for more of our Taste Test Tuesday as we let our colleagues and friends play the flavor gamble.